welcome back to the channel. Today is our second episode. We're taking the stock FCX to the rocks. I used to crawl here with my 10th scale crawlers, but over the years my crawlers have become more capable and this is no longer a challenge. But for the FCX 24, it is. You may ask why I chose a 124 scale to go trailing with. Is because today's 1/10 scale 1.9 trucks are so capable that a lot of stuff is easy for them. So I chose the smaller scale to provide more challenge for the terrain. Here on this ledge, I come down nose first. I try to power out in low gear, but it isn't enough. Eventually, I switch into high gear, turn my wheel, and I power out. Coming down this hill, the FMS shows how light it really is. In the future videos, I'm going to probably upgrade to put more weight on the wheels. Stay tuned for future videos where I'm going to do upgrades to the truck. And thanks for watching.